Hello viewers, hope you are all well. Today I am back again with a new Lumion Render tutorial. This is an exterior SketchUp model which I have downloaded from SketchUp Warehouse. If you want to download the model, you can download it for free from SketchUp Warehouse. So stay with me and watch the video till the end to learn the best rendering. You can find the link for this model in the description. Let's start the tutorial. I have imported this SketchUp model into Lumion. As you can see, this is beautiful exterior scene. Today I will make a realistic rendering of it. I added textures and materials, and all the components have been added like trees, leaves, peoples and other components, and I have set them in layers. Now I will unlayer them so you can see beautiful environment. Our exterior scene is complete. Now we create custom effect of this and render it to check how our scene looks. I have taken a picture for the render. Now I have added the custom effects. I mostly use PBR material in my Lumion models, from which the quality of rendering becomes realistic and the render becomes more enhanced. I will make the next video on PBR material. I will tell you about PBR material in that video and from which website we can download PBR material and how it is used. That's why I request all viewers to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. After rendering, our scene is looking beautiful but it is not realistic. To create a realistic render, we will have to add manual effects. Let's move on to the main part of the tutorial and create realistic effects. Make sure add all these effects in the same order.
Number 1. Shadow. Number 2. Skylight. Number 3. Heat highlight. Number 4. Reflection. Number 5. Color correction. Number 6. Exposure. Number 7. Sharpen. Number 8. 2-point perspective. Number 9. Real skies. Number 10. Precipitation. Number 11. Volume clouds. Number 12. Depth of field. Number 13. Chromatic aberrations. Number 14. Autumn colors. Number 15. Outlines. Number 16. Bleach. Number 17. Bloom. Number 18. Print poster enhancer.
Now we will adjust all the effects. All viewers are requested to watch the video till the end so that you don't miss an effect. Without wasting time, let the work on the effects properties. effects is almost ready. Now let's do a test render. You will feel the difference clearly. The first effect we created and the manual effect we created. There is a clear difference between these two renders. I think the color of the garage door should be changed. Now we will add reflection on windows so that our render can be better. I have added reflection on all windows and asphalt. Now we make the final render. Our render is complete. Now we see its results. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I have taken out renders from different angle. You must see them too.